Screw the 4 PP casters into the bottom of 4 lower poles. Snap the plastic clips into the grooves of poles at your desired positions. Make sure the arrow on the plastic clips are pointed up. Please make sure that you have the wire shelf the correct way up. Keep the gap and collar face down. At least install it up to the dashed line position. Hold the wire shelf on its side and slide the top of 4 poles through the bottom of the wire shelf at its corners until there is a snug fit, and then set the wire shelf upright. Snap plastic clips into the pole grooves of lower poles at your desired shelf height position. Slide shelf down from top downward onto plastic clips. Screw the central pole switch with connector into the lower poles. Repeat the above steps until all shelves are securely fastened to the clips. Finish by putting the PP mat on each shelf.